Hi traders, welcome to the update. Post Thanksgiving and we've gone through a bit of a choppy period, so I just wanted to wait until we get a trade back in either long or short direction to give you an idea of how it works through a choppy period and how it works through just gaining points and profit if it's going in a strong direction, either up or down. So the last update we had was before Thanksgiving, which was we're just sort of heading into this short. Had a nice sell-off and took 5 or 6 points on the way down, and so then we head into the 27th. From the 27th till we had a move just today on the 30th, I think it was. So 27th to the 30th. This is what we call the choppy period. So yeah, the point of this hedge is to hedge through a market that either rallies hard or sells off pretty strong. So that way, when your options are under pressure or your futures are making profit, then it doesn't really matter. So we've had a choppy period straight away. So we're into a long trade there, then we're out straight away. So then we're into a short trade and then we're out. So this futures indicator catches that long and short, and so when it stops out, well, we're losing points and profit along the way. So that means our options trade's making money because it's not going near our strike point. So that's okay. We'll head on here and I'll just show you these in the Excel spreadsheet of what happened with these in number wise. So this is when we get our breakout. So we go long. So we go long from 1094ish, 1095, and that goes right up and stays long, and we get stopped out at 1106. So that's fine. So we take our 8 points there. So we went through a choppy period, probably lost more than 8 points, then we gain 8 points on the breakout. So we're not quite back at break even. So we haven't had another trade since. See how we don't get in. We know when we're in when we get a yellow dot. So we'll know if one of these shorts triggers because we'll get a yellow dot above it. Otherwise, there's no need to touch it. So now we have no trade on the futures, and we're looking for either a long or a short. And today is the 2nd of December, and our expiry finishes on when does that finish? 17th of December. So at the moment, our options trade is at 91% profit. So it's up to you whether you want to exit that options trade with 90% profit and just set another trade and take more premium. It's probably not a bad idea. Make sure you contact me if you want to do that, so we can set up your new options trade. That way you take your options premium early, and you can set another options trade and get more premium out of the market. So at the moment we're down about I think it was about 5,000 on the futures. Yeah, 5,000 on the futures, and this options trade is due to take about 2,200. So yeah, it's probably not a bad idea to exit your options and set another one. It doesn't really matter because we've still got 17 or 15 days to go, and there should be some movement in that period to take some on the futures. And theoretically and historically, there's only been one period where the futures have been down for the month. So the odds are on our side to hold this and make money on the futures. But again, if you want to take your money and set another futures trade, that's a good idea as well. So contact me if you'd like to do that, and we can take it from there and set your new futures trade. But that's the update for today. Sorry, there's a bit of a wait. I just wanted to get through that Thanksgiving period and get through that choppy period to give you an idea of what the system does through the choppy period, which is these stop outs here all in a row on the 27th, 29th to 30th until we got our breakout. So we had a breakout there, and in between we had our chop. And so that just gives you a good visual of the difference between the two. I'll just show you where the strike points are as well. We are 1195 is our call position, so we're still 90 points off that as well. So we're in no real danger at this stage. So thanks for joining us, and it's admin@keyequityhedge.com for any more information. Cheers.